In this concise instructional guide, we aim to address the issue of receiving an error message on Instagram stating, "Sorry, there was a problem with your request," before proceeding with the video. Remember to show your support by leaving a like. I suggest watching the video before attempting the solutions provided. The initial solution involves two straightforward steps. Firstly, ensure that your device is updated. To update iOS, navigate to Settings, General Software Update. If updates are available, proceed with the installation. Additionally, check for updates for the Instagram app on the App Store and install if necessary. Once updates are complete, proceed to the second step, which involves uploading Instagram. Navigate back to Settings, then General iPhone Storage. Locate Instagram and select to upload and reinstall the app. If the issue persists, proceed to the second solution, resetting network settings. Access Settings, then General Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode when prompted to complete the process. After resetting network settings, check if the issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the third solution, which involves deleting and reinstalling Instagram. Press and hold the Instagram app icon, then select Remove App and confirm deletion. Restart your device before downloading Instagram again from the App Store. Once reinstalled, verify if the issue persists. If none of these solutions work, further troubleshooting may be required. If these steps proved helpful, consider showing your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing for more content. Take care and stay tuned for future videos.